There's another giraffe over there. My girl really likes giraffes. So I'm trying to see how close we can get to them. Because I think the lady said we can park and walk up to the gate or something. Little bro over there cooling. That ain't finna happen. That ain't finna happen.
Oh my god, look at it like weed connected to the tail.
You said what?
Like, you know how like
chair that we was at yesterday for dinner.
Don't gas it. Look at
Hell, dude. Like what the fuck? Like them hoes be weird. Like I don't know. Like how do you?
You think I can check this in? No.
You tried your best. That's all that matters. That nigga over there playing in the dirt. For real, look, having a jolly ass time with his big ass. Too damn big to be laying down on the ground like that.
Look at the way they do their mouth though.
Aww. Aww. God damn, bro.
Give me some. I'm giving you food. Open your mouth. I'm trying to give you some.
Understand what you're saying. This nigga's just fat. Like, that nigga is built like a fucking cinder block.
Like, nigga, did you just throw something at me?
Hey, y'all seeing this nigga? Like, that nigga is huge. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Look at that nigga body, like that shit.
Man, it's beautiful animals. Like, is it a
Alright, y'all, you dig what I'm saying? So, we, as you guys have already seen, Jen went through the little safari joint. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty been, it's very hot. But the safari thing was cool though. You know what I'm saying? I think this is the end of it actually. They got like this little ice cream thing. So, I'm finna see what they talking about, but I gotta piss. So I'm gonna use the restroom.
Hey guys, we just made it by the zebras.
They say they supposed to bite. I'm chucking this food at their head. They trying. Oh look, they got duck in the water. That water dirty than a motherfucker though.
It is.
God
Let me
damn. That's it.
You said spinach juice.
Oh, what the fuck? These niggas is walking. You better put your hand back in there, motherfucker, before you grab that bitch. This nigga an asshole. That nigga's an asshole.
What they gonna do? Hit the damn thing?
He an asshole.
What
Damn.
that nigga looking like? So that's how we rocking?
That is crazy though. Like everybody was obviously looking at that nigga. Your ass want to do the most.
That shit. Oh, look. George.
That was exploded?
Come on.
Damn, one of them got to that nigga. That nigga fat ass. Hey, he ate that whole look. He almost ate the bird.
All right, so we just seen a sign that says
Cheetahs is on the way. We ain't gonna be here for them, so we might have to come back. Y'all wanna-
definitely cover that.
Ooh, we might bring Lester and Danny next time.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. They asses are too funny.
That nigga. You ain't gonna record that nigga? That big ass nigga is crazy.
Get you one of these niggas when you wanna fight.
The views is ridiculous. I ain't even gonna lie. San Antonio got a lot of views and shit. Quiet rhinoceros. That nigga's great though. Right there.
They ass like I am not.
Y'all can't really tell, but them is rhinoceros. Yeah, St. Charles is deer and then
These are some beautiful animals. Look at the babies. There's one in the middle of the street, babe.
That nigga damn near out the car.
There's an animal in the middle of the street, but they feeding it. Don't throw it no more.
Be able to feed them. This dude. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Or this one, baby. You might be able to feed this one. See. Forget his ass. That nigga.
Hold on, we're gonna get you some more. Put it in your hand, Joseph. Oh,
Yeah.
You want to eat?
Oh shit, hold on there, nigga.
There's so much.
It's his friend, man. My nigga got one arm. Look how he's getting active. Ain't really trying to hit your ass, man.
Oh shit, feed that nigga. What do you want to do? run after this.
Niggas is huge. Huh?
I'll take that one.
You said run after
Yeah, let's run after.
Alright, y'all. Yeah, so we actually finished the drive-through part. It was pretty dope. As you guys saw, one of the little Billy Goat things or whatever the hell the shit was called had came up to the missus. Almost took a bite of her finger.
It did show this to y'all.
Almost took a bite of her finger, but yeah, man, now, you know what I'm saying, they got like this little walk around part, which is more of like a traditional zoo move. So we're finna go ahead and go hit this. Let's see what kind of animals we can see before we wrap up this video.
Alright. See y'all in the next one.
Show y'all the scenery. They water dirty as hell, but the missus, it's hot as hell. Got the monkeys. I don't know how the hell we supposed to feed them. Oh damn. Well, can't feed them. Look and get some shots. Nigga ain't trying to look.
Look, he like.
Lonely as hell. All kinds of dirty ass water over there. What's up, dude?
Like he finna start communicating.
What's up, dude? He said, yeah, I like the camera. What's up,
Oh
dude?
my goodness.
That nigga look like as fuck. What's up, dude?
He finna start waving. Let's see him in the picture.
Hell no, you better not touch that nigga. Shit. Now watch him spray you with that water.
Oh, I'm gonna be so mad.
He gonna mess around and pull that trigger. You better stop playing. Man, water all over your body. Multiple. See, got a bunch of monkeys. What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
What's up?
The fuck you think it's up? It's hot as hell out here. The hell you mean? I'm hot. It's hot. In the little gift shop. You're a fool. You're a fool. They got some shirts. Couple of shirts. Crazy.
That one nice, this one.
Man, well, I thought you was going for the pink one.
I was at first, and I see now. I thought, that one got.
You really obsessed with her ass, huh? You want a picture one, now you want one.
It's a zebra one. Oh, zebra energy wrap. 2 for 1 special.
This nigga dumb.
Only for $6.99. Advertisement.
Hell. Got a bird over there. Got a big ass giraffe. My nigga said, fuck that, I'm be in the AC. It's too hot.
Yeah, that nigga, look at it.
My nigga said it's too hot. I can't be out there. Fuck that. He done got bougie. Big giraffe. Big giraffe shit.
Hey guys, so we are leaving now. We're leaving the safari now. It is hot out here, like, jeez. So right now we're finna head to our hotel. This is a different hotel that we're heading at. So when we get there, we're gonna update y'all and show y'all the views and everything. Now this hotel is actually gonna be on the Riverwalk. So we're kind of excited. 41-minute drive from the wildlife to our hotel that we're going to. So we'll update y'all soon. All right.